Hey guys, Captain Mayhew signing in to another episode here at TNT's Unplanned Bunker. Today I'm going to be making volcano stuff. My son's school is doing a Mount Vesuvius eruption, and we all know that vinegar and baking soda works, and it's fine, it's tried, it's true, it's perfectly normal. I am not perfectly normal, however, so I decided to go out and get a selection of sodas and Mentos. And I tried it earlier and it did not work. Come to find out, if you pour out the soda into another container, you lose a lot of the carbon and it doesn't have the fizz, so I wasn't getting a good eruption. So I went back to the dollar store, got more Mentos, got more sodas, and I'm going to do this right. Now I have to be careful on how I do this so I don't make a big huge mess and hit the ceiling, because this will be done in my son's school and I don't feel like getting on the bad side of the janitors. So let's see what works. I'm gonna get set up and I'll see you back here in a bit. So before I get started, I'm going to do a regular baking soda vinegar mixture in my little fake volcano there. This is just to see the basis, how it normally looks, to kind of get a baseline. Then we have a selection of sodas. We got the tried and true Coke, Diet Coke. We know this should work. Normal Coke should work. I've heard Sprite is pretty powerful. I'm not sure about the Mountain Dews, but we're gonna find out. I'll be recording on my normal phone, and over there I will have my normal camera, so you guys can see the reactions right along with us. Let's get to making science. Okay, so the first experiment we're going to do is I have a tablespoon of baking soda, and I'm going to add in a half a cup of just plain white vinegar. Yep, that's about right. I remember that from school. That seems about normal. Works. Would be just fine for a regular volcano, but nah, let's have some fun. Alright, for each experiment I'm going to be putting in 5 Mentos into each soda. Here's my little Mentos dropper into voltage Mountain Dew. 1, 2, 3. That erupted. It was better than the regular volcano, so that wasn't it's not a bad option. Made one heck of a mess in it though. Second soda, let's try red Mountain Dew. Again, 5 Mentos. Not getting the big eruptions that I was hoping to get. Maybe Sprite or Coke. Let's try the Sprite. I lost some as I opened it, but let's give it a try. 5 Mentos. Sprite was so far my favorite. Let's keep going. Right. Original Coke, 5 Mentos. Let's get a reaction. That was better. I liked that one. Diet Coke, 5 Mentos. Let's see how good this one is. So there we have it. 5 sodas, and I think 1 winner. I think Diet Coke is going to be our Volcano. What do you guys think? If there's a soda you think that would work better than any of the ones we've tried, then leave a comment down below. Let us know if you've tried any of these. I don't know how to get them to shoot up really high. Maybe I'm just being conservative with the amount of Mentos I put in because I don't want to make a big, huge, giant mess. But if you have any ideas, let me know. As always, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Be sure to join us on all of our wacky ventures, Instagram, Facebook, and you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next video. Captain Mayhew signing out. Bye!